Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 2, Work Power Energy. Work Power Energy. ICSE Concise Physics. Class 10. Exercise 2A. Numericals. So question number 1 is, a body when acted upon a force of 10 kgf gets displaced by 0.5 meter. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is number 1 in the direction of the force, number 2 at an angle of 60 degree with the force, and number 3 normal to the force. Take G is equal to 10 kg Newton per kg. So number 1, force data given. What are the data given in the question number 1? Force is given. What is force? Force is 10 kgf. Since 10 kgf is given, means against gravitational pull is given, so 10 into 10. Since G is equal to given 10 Newton per kg, so total force is equal to 100 Newton. Okay, and displacement is 0.5 meter. Number 1, in the direction of the force. In the direction of the force, what does this mean? In the direction of the force means the force and the displacement is in the same direction. So theta is equal to 0 degree here. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So work done is equal to Fs cos theta, that is equal to 100 into 0.5 into 1, that is 50 joule. This is the first point. Second point, let us see. Second point, at an angle of 60 degree means theta is equal to 60 degree. The force is this side and the direction is this. This is 60 degree it is given. So cos 60 degree is equal to 0.5. So work done is equal to Fs cos 60 degree. So 100 into 0.5 into 0.5, that is equal to 25 joule. Number 3, what is given? Number 3, normal to the force. Number 3 it is given normal to force. Normal to force means this way. This is the force, but this is the displacement. 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So work done is equal to Fs cos 90. Since cos 90 is 0, so it is 0 joule. Let us see number 2. Question number 2 says, a boy of mass 40 kg runs upstairs and reaches the height 8 meter high floor in 5 seconds. Calculate the force of gravity acting on the boy. The first question is the force of gravity on the boy. Second is the work done. Third is the power. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So what is the data given? Mass is given 40 kg. Height is given 8 meter. And time is given 5 seconds. Okay. G is given 10 meter per second square. Okay, so what is the force? Force is equal to mg. Okay, force is equal to mg. So mass is 40 kg, G is 10. Therefore the total force that is acting is 400 Newton. The first question is work done. Work done by him against the gravity. So what is the work done here? Work done will be mgh. So mass is 40, G is 10, height is 8. That is 8 for the 32, that is 3200 joule. So the third question, power. What is the power then? Power is equal to work done by time. So work done is equal to 3200 joule. Time is 5 seconds given in the question. So 5 6 is 30, 2 5 4 is 20, that is 640 watt. Question number 3. It takes 20 seconds for a person A to climb the upstairs, while another person B does the same in 15 seconds. Compare the work done, the power developed by the person A and B. We have to compare. Comparing means dividing one and other. So you will get the answer. First of all, the work done by the person A and person B is independent of time. Since time is not given, since time is not mentioned here, so person A and B both are independent of time. Independent of time. So the work done, number 1, work done by A by work done by B will be equal to 1 by 1. So it is 1:1, because they are doing the same amount of work, because time is not given. Number 2, power by person A and person B. Power developed by person A is calculated as follows. See, A takes 20 seconds to climb the stairs and B takes 50 seconds. Solution number 1. See, the work done by person A and work done by person B is independent of time. Hence both will do the same amount of work. So work done by A by work done by B will be equal to 1 by 1, since it is same. So ratio is 1:1. Number 2, power. So power of A by power of B is equal to work done by A by T, TA, work done B by T of B, time of B. So 1 by, what is the time taken by A? 20 by 1 by 15. So it is 15 by 20. So 5 3 5 4, that is equal to 3:4. Comparison done. Question number 4. A boy weighing 350 Newton runs up a flight of 30 steps, each 20 cm high, in 1 minute. Calculate the work done and the power. See, the total distance covered in 30 steps. Total distance in 30 steps. How much it will be? 30 into 20, because 20 is the height of each step. 20 is the height of each step. So it is 600 centimeter, that is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so work done by the boy in climbing is equal to force into displacement, and it is moving in the same direction, so cos 0 degree, same direction. So force is, and the force is given 350 Newton, and the displacement is 6. So it is 2100 joule. So the power developed, power is equal to work done by time, that is equal to 2100 by time. What is the total time taken? 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. So it will come up to 35 watt. Number 5. A man spends 6.4 kilojoule energy. So what is the work done by the man? That is the data given. Work done by the man is 6.4 kilojoule of energy. Energy that is used in displacing a body by 64 meter. So displacement is also given 64 meter. In the direction in which he applies the force, in the same direction, means theta is equal to 0 degree. Same direction. So theta equal to 0 degree. Okay. Now in time 2.5 seconds. So 2.5 seconds. Okay. So first question is the force that is applied. So work done is equal to force into displacement. Work done is given 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 joule is equal to force we have to find. Displacement is 64 meter. So force is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 by 64. So force is equal to 100 Newton. So the power spent, power is equal to work done by time. Work done it's already is given 6.4 into 10 to the power 3, and time is taking how much time? It's 2.5 seconds. Okay, 2.5 seconds. So 2.5 seconds it will come up to 2560 watt. But the question is you have to find the power spent in HP. So 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. Okay, so 2560 watt is equal to 2560 by 746, that is equal to 3.43